Helmholtz free energy or only energy. This is a thermodynamic potential. If you study physics or chemistry, in both the subjects you will get this topic. Name is what? Helmholtz free energy or only Helmholtz energy. This is nothing but a thermodynamic potential, and this is useful in a thermodynamic process where temperature is held constant. To calculate the work obtainable from a thermodynamic system, this concept of Helmholtz free energy is used. So, the mathematical expression of this free energy is given by U minus Ts, where U is internal energy of the system, T is temperature, of course in Kelvin, S is the entropy. U minus Ts, and this Helmholtz free energy, this is written either by the symbol A or by the symbol F. Capital A or capital F is used. When F is used, normally in physics F is used, and normally in chemistry A is used. But interchange is possible, there is no problem at all. But normally in the subject of chemistry the symbol A is used, and in the subject physics the symbol F is used. A stands for arbit, A-R-B-E-I-T. Arbit is a German word, meaning of which is work. Okay, so A stands for arbit, means work. Arbit is a German word, and when F is used, here F means free energy. Okay, or Helmholtz function. F stands for either Helmholtz function or free energy. Okay, and this free energy, means Helmholtz free energy, was defined by this physicist, German physicist Hermann von Helmholtz. Hermann von Helmholtz. In 1882, he presented a paper. The name of the paper, means title of the paper was On the Thermodynamics of Chemical Processes. On the Thermodynamics of Chemical Processes. Okay. And the symbol A was used by UPAC. UPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, in short it is called UPAC. Okay. And according to them, the symbol A is used for the calculation of or to express Helmholtz free energy. Okay. And they also started calling this thermodynamic potential to be Helmholtz energy, means UPAC. I was talking about UPAC. Okay, so this was all about Helmholtz free energy. So here work is obtained in a thermodynamic process. No doubt it is a thermodynamic process. In a thermodynamic process where temperature is held constant. So change in Helmholtz free energy, that is delta A. It is equal to work done, but this is equal to maximum work done, or maximum work done obtainable from a system, from a thermodynamic system, in a process where temperature is held constant. Okay, so this was all about Helmholtz free energy. I have already posted few days back one more video where all the 4 thermodynamic potentials were discussed, namely internal energy, enthalpy, Gibbs free energy, and this is Helmholtz free energy. So many thermodynamic potentials are there, but these 4 are the main. Okay, so this was all about Helmholtz free energy. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.